Hey guys, welcome to another weekend of Aussie Indians Adventure.
It's weekend again, and guess what? We are in Great Ocean Road again. I think इस साल तो हमने Great Ocean Road इतनी बार आ चुके हैं, but it's been good. We have always explored a unique accommodation here. So this time we are in Lorne, and it's a perfect way to just unwind after a hectic day, after a hectic week as well.
Yeah.
And nice beginning
And
to the
recharge
holiday
yourself.
season.
Yeah, recharge yourself before the holiday season.
Yes.
So come along and we'll show you this unique accommodation.
So we are in Lorne and we are in Uncontained. It's a very unique and off-grid accommodation. So come along and I'll show you.
Wow.
It's very compact, but the moment you step in, you'll feel like you're in the middle of the Otway rainforest.
Otway National Park. की थोड़ी GK week है, but
And that's the view in the middle of the greenery. And look at the balcony. It is so huge. I think यहाँ पे एक और room भी बन सकता था.
हाँ, room से बड़ी balcony है.
And they have everything, the dining table, the sofa, and the weather today is very amazing. As you can see, we are wearing our summer clothes in Great Ocean Road. तो हम यहीं पे बैठ के अपना dinner enjoy करने वाले हैं. They have lazy bags. They also have the
barbecue and the fire pit as well, which we will lit in the night. Enjoy some with the glass of wine. And inside, I think they have a queen bed.
I like the interiors.
Look at those. That money plant.
Yeah.
And I think they have everything for your
cute little
stay.
corner.
Yeah.
For coffee and drinks.
They have an air con, which can heater or as a AC. Have a cute little kitchen.
Fully equipped kitchen with the gas, with the induction, the exhaust, and they also have like all the necessary utensils and pots and pans to cook.
And a coffee machine as well.
Coffee machine, yeah.
And then they have a fridge, microwave, kettle, and toaster.
And they also have the washing machine.
So as it is near to the beach, so you can come and wash your clothes as well if you are staying for more than a night. And then this cute little bathroom. Smells so good. But it's dinner time and we bought our dinner from home and just recooked it here. It's a 5-minute away from the main town center as well.
Yeah, and they have many options. They have many good options to eat outside.
But
we have almost explored all of them, and we just wanted to have home cooked food. Nothing better than home cooked food. So
exactly, and this is one of the way as well you save money for your travel and to experience these kinds of accommodations.
True.
So guys, it's dinner time. Having biryani. Look at the colors in the sky.
Same as biryani colors.
Yes, true. See. Foresty forest, surrounded by forest. As dinner has been served, we're enjoying dinner next to this fire pit. I think I like this type of fire pit because आपको wood डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ fuel डालना होता है, and it's easy to maintain and easy to lit as well.
Looks aesthetic as well.
But look at the sky color as well.
Yeah.
On the way to Lorne Town Center from our accommodation.
La la la.
So guys, after finishing our dinner, we came to explore Lorne Town Center. We were a bit late. It's 10 p.m. so
We
everything
came for an after dinner walk.
After dinner walk, so but everything is closed now. I think छोटे towns में generally shops gets closed or restaurants get closed by 9. So make sure you check the timing before coming for your dinner or for your food. But it's a good market. Will show you in the morning. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सब कुछ बंद है. There are few shops which are still open. The noodle shop, which is the chopstick noodle bar.
And it's only 10 p.m.
हाँ, you see.
Good morning. What a beautiful day. It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning. It's time for breakfast. What are we making today?
Our usual breakfast, avocado toast with poached eggs.
Yes, so I'm gonna make poached eggs. Hopefully, sahi ban jaye. And then we'll enjoy our breakfast looking at this view. देखो guys क्या कर रही है मुझे
नहीं सही बने
गए.
So guys, we had an amazing time at Uncontained and we have now checked out to enjoy the beautiful day here at Lawn. It's very rare that you get such beautiful days in Great Ocean Road. So now we are exploring the Lawn Market.
Town. And we'll explore beaches, small shops, we'll go for a coffee, we'll find some place for lunch and some places where we've never been to. I think Lawn is famous for its boutique stores. And the first stop we stopped in by, we saw some sale where the sale is from $14. Nikita will try to find something if she's able to find something or not.
My
So,
first
guys-
shopping from Dhanja.
Yes, and she bought it from the rack, which was at $39, but she spent $3 on the bag.
Did I spend $3?
Yes,
Did
you
I?
spent. But now we'll go to the next shop, which is the op shop. So we found our coffee at Lee Comptoir, which is next to the Lawn Theatre. And now we are having coffee and what's in the packet?
सोचो अब बताओ क्या होएगा
Must be almond croissant.
So guys, now we are on a task to find Christmas presents for each other because I thought कि इससे अच्छी और जगह नहीं मिल सकती हमें शॉपिंग करने के लिए. It's a very nice market, lawn market. तो हमने तो इनके पास टास्क है. Christmas
Task
gift
नहीं है,
लेने
मेरे
का.
मुझे तो पसंद समझ में आ गया कि what I need to buy for her. So we have decided the budget and we are gonna not stick. जो भी समझ में आएगा तो ले लेंगे.
Overspend, as
हाँ.
always.
So, but we'll see if we are able to find something good for ourselves, not ourselves, for each other. We'll update you on Christmas Eve. So guys, for lunch, we are going to Totti's and it's one and only branch in whole Victoria. We are so blessed, able to come to Totti's. Italian Dura. That's for lunch. So guys, after finishing our lunch, we came to the beach to enjoy some sunlight and get some vitamin D.
So this was a very wonderful day spent at Lawney. I think we have spent so much time in Lawney for the first time. मतलब Lawney में. So really enjoyed the beach and the market and the eateries and also our accommodation. So Lawney is a good place.
Lawney is a
on
good place.
Great Ocean Road.